Alright, so another function of a switch is port security. Again, this is what separates, the low end price switches to an enterprise switch. And these over here are the commands. So basically we're going to select what interface we're going to do, then we're going to put it into a mode access, and then from there we're going to add security, then we're going to add how many MAC addresses it's going to learn, and then what is it going to do? We're going to shut down the interface. So here, let's take a quick dive of these commands. So here we go. Here are the commands that you would do to set this up. So I'm going to show this as an example. We're going to pop into the switch, and we're going to go ahead and first step, we're going to go into enable mode, so we can go into config T, and then we're going to do interface fast, because this is a fast Ethernet 0/2, and then I'm going to just copy and paste all this just because I don't like to type, and there we go. So again, we're setting up the switch port mode access, we're setting security, we're setting the maximum MAC addresses it'll learn, and then we're going to say shut the interface down. And again, now we're going to do is hit exit, just so we can see the MAC table. Alright, so let's go ahead and cable this PC up, PC4. We're going to plug it into port 2, and then we're going to wait a second for that to come up, and now we're going to go over here. I'm just going to type in show MAC address table. So right now we can see that it's empty because none of the computers are actually having a conversation. So let's reset the DHCP. So this will start getting a conversation going. And as we go through, as we change it, here we can see we got address. Here we can see we've learned. So here you can see on port 2 we learned the static type, so that means it's not going to accept a change. So let's see what's going to happen. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove PC4. What we're going to do is take the cable out. We're going to hook up a crossover cable between the two switches. Doesn't matter we're at what port in this switch, but if we go to port 2 and we let these synchronize for the moment, everything's going to be okay. Alright, so it's going through its learning state. It's going to take a moment. And while we're waiting for that to take effect. Okay, now it's green. So now again, we're going to go here, change it to, oh, look at that. See, the interface went down. And here, right here, interface fast Ethernet 0/2 change state from administratively down. So now that interface is down. So that's how port security works. So if you were to take another machine, unplug it, plug another machine in, and then once it hit its threshold, that port would be disabled. So now the only way you can do is you'd have to manually go in there as the IT admin of the switches and stuff like that. Would go in there and reset this. So this is just a little demonstration on how port security works. Like an example, if you're in my security course and you're working on, free things, again, this is an example of a free thing you could use. Alright, cool. I'll see you guys in class or in my office hours. Catch you later. Bye.